Hello, my name is Annalise Barnes, and I have a presentation on folktales. Folktales are stories that are passed down through multiple generations. There are a lot of different kinds of folktales, including myths, tall tales, fairy tales, legends, fables. Many popular books, TV shows, movies, things that we're familiar with, originated from a written folktale. Aladdin, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, Paul Bunyan, Beauty and the Beast, Little Red Riding Hood. There's hundreds. So first, what is a theme? Just like in other written pieces of work, there's something to be learned when we read stories, and the same goes for reading folktales. The theme in a folktale is the big idea, the central message, the thing the author wants us to take away to learn from reading the story. Themes really can teach us about all sorts of different things. Themes can teach us about our families, expectations within our families, within our communities, what we believe, what we value. Usually, when we learn about themes, we learn something that we can apply to our daily lives. In addition to having a theme to learn, another part of folktales are that there is a conflict. There's some sort of issue that the main character needs to work out before the end. Folktales usually have what we traditionally learned as good guy and bad guy. The good character is going to encounter some sort of struggle, some problem, some conflict they have to overcome. And through the struggles of the main character, that's how we learn the theme of the folktale. So looking at theme and conflict, characters of folktales, let's look a little more deeper at the Little Red Riding Hood. So, Little Red Riding Hood, even though her mother tells her, okay, when you walk with your basket, when you bring your food to your grandma's, don't stop, don't talk to anybody. Well, what does Little Red Riding do? She kind of moseys her way along, slowly, and ends up talking to a wolf. Because of that interaction, she almost ends up getting eaten. So, what are some things of Little Red Riding Hood? Don't talk to strangers. Don't trust people you don't know. Listen to your parents. Trust the adults in your life, right? And what are some purposes in writing and sharing folktales? Well, one thing I also wanted to say was folktales, regardless of what culture you're looking at, what group of people, what family, folktales can often be shared orally. So this is a great form of storytelling and can even help with oral language proficiency, really, of children. But what's some other purposes in writing and sharing them? They teach us about our cultures, our societies, our families, ourselves, really. They educate us. They give us new information. And, equally important, they give us something to enjoy, something to pass the time, something to share, something to have fun with. Thank you for listening.